mozzarella cheese, some olives in a can, some corn in a can, some mushrooms, some peppers, some tomatoes, and arugula. First of all, we will be putting some tomato basil marinara sauce. We bought it from Trader Joe's, and we also made this by ourselves, but you can also buy it from any store, okay? We'll be starting with our sauce. So let's get some and spread it around. I'm not really professional, but we're gonna do that. Ooh, that looks yummy. Do you think this will be yummy? Give a thumbs up if you tried it before. And let's get more. More. That smells so good. Have you went to Trader Joe's before? It's good. Trader Joe's good and healthy. It's like painting. I think that's it. And now, first we're gonna start with the corn. We have this. It was from a can. Oh, we forgot the spots. As I was saying, okay, that's good. Now this corn is from a can, so we're gonna put it on the pizza. So let's start. Let's put one here and here. Wow, that looks so good. No, just sprinkle. Zooey. Does it look like a sprinkle party? We'll just put some a little more and a little on this corner and stop. Now we're gonna put some beef of them. We're gonna put some of these. We have them in like fourth, like a nose. We're gonna put one here. I like one. I'm gonna eat one. Here. Here and here. Now, I'm just gonna put a little more to make it tasty. And done. And more. And more. And one more. Okay. Now, I just like this. It's so yummy. Okay, now we're gonna add some olives. These are my favorite olives, but it's my first time trying them. They're good. Let's sprinkle them like sprinkles. Sprinkle party. Let's add a little more. I want to make it so olivey because I love olives. And put one there, here. We'll have to put some in the corner and eat one. Put some in the middle, here, and down. Now, we're gonna put some fresh tomato. I love tomatoes. If you don't like tomatoes, you don't have to add them, but I think you have to because it is the show. So we add one here, one here, one here, one here. They look like eyes. Wait, watch. Eyes, red eyes. They're so yummy. eat them later. I'm so hungry. And here. 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 Okay. Now we're gonna add some mushrooms. These are some Trader Joe's mushrooms. So we'll just add them everywhere. One here, 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 and here. Here, here, oh, here, 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 here. One more, here. Now we add the peppers. The green ones are the good ones, I think. One here, one here, one here, 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 here. Peppers all around. Yummy peppers. I think we're done. Okay, more corn now. I love corn. Spread it around. More corn. 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 Corn, corn, corn. I think that's too much corn. Now, we put some on the edges. And here. Okay, I think it's ready to bake. More mozzarella. We're gonna put some mozzarella cheese. It's good. I love mozzarella cheese. I love all kinds of cheese. So this is gonna be a great one. We're just gonna grab the cheese. The hand and sprinkle. I want a lot of cheese because I love cheese. I love cheese. 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 More cheese. And cheese in the middle. Let's put all the cheese. All the cheese. And pepper. Pepper. And done. Okay. Okay. Now we added all the ingredients, and now we're gonna put it in the oven for 15-20 minutes and 40 degrees. Let's go to the oven for help because this might be hard. Okay, everything is ready, so we're gonna go get it. Let's go get it. Let's open it. Wow, it looks like a heart or a diamond. That looks so yummy. Let's open that. Okay. This is out of the oven and this is how it looks like. And so we're gonna ask a parent for help, okay? So for more taste, we're gonna add some arugula. So that's our here. Here. It just baked. So we're gonna eat it, but we're gonna add some of this for taste. I think that's it. Now we're gonna also pour some water. We got some ice from here from our fridge. Ask a parent for help. Okay. Okay, our cola is opened. This is kind of heavy. Wow. Done. Okay. That's delicious. Let's have some cheese. That's so delicious. Let's let's have some cola. And some corn. Let's just eat it all together. Olive. It's hard to eat. We'll just eat the cheese. Let's roll it. That's hot. Let's grab it. That's better. Bye. See you in our next video. Let's do it like this. Let's have some more. That's good. Bye. See you in our next video. And like or subscribe to the video. Bye.